Custom-built home with many intricate details you don't find in new construction today. Low-maintenance exterior and yard that is great for entertaining. Designed for 2 families, apartment over the garage just renovated, chair lift to the in-law suite. 5 garage doors, room for 7 cars, or a ton of storage, 2,645 square feet. Primary bedroom in the main house on the first floor. Beautiful stone fireplace in the open living area. Located in a very quiet cul-de-sac. Also includes 2 new sets of gas logs, hardwired 4,000 security cameras, alarm system, pool safety cover and leaf guard gutters.